I love your voice. You have laid me through the fire. My darkest nights. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father, and I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. Yes, I have. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Yes, I will.